everybody, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life. I am here in Uranus, Missouri, and I want to show you some of what you can see and expect when you travel here. There is a dinosaur as soon as you enter in, and there is one on the other side. It is just off the highway, and it's noisy if you can't tell. And then there's just all this cool stuff that you can go and see here. We head up. There is a funnel cake area, creamery, and they have food that you can get there. Let me show you what that looks like. And then there's the Uranus jail. There's a museum that you can go to. There is a general store. There's another restaurant. You can do axe throwing here too if you wanted to. It's pretty cool. Here you see the Uranus jail as well as the museum. They have their own newspaper. The Uranus Examiner. There's a billiards room. As well as axe hole throwing, so you can throw your axe indoors. Another restaurant. Looks like these are chicken bones. And then you can find the general store. Besides the general store, you can also find the actual Fudge Factory in Uranus. They sell fine fudge, other good snacks, and lots of memorabilia and tchotchkes that you can get that have Uranus on them, and Route 66, because this is on the historic Route 66. Route 66. Depending on where you're from, you might say it different.